bus in the deck in the back.
Upper decker bus is a high thingy that is always moving.
Olive trees on top of the mountain.
nandito ulit tayo sa aking mahiwagang opisina. Uy, nakasombrero si Mamshi. Galing kasi ako sa labas, guys, at medyo sunny ang weather. Himala. No. Actually, I think it's already summer na here in Switzerland, so that's why, getting warm na. At ang rainy season is slowly ending. Pero this weekend, uulan daw. Pero this day, sunny and nasa 27, 28 degrees yata. Ayan. Pero okay na, baka mamayang hapon maabot ng 32 degrees. Tingnan natin. So yes, guys, update lang ba tayo sa yung gala namin sa downtown. Ayan, ayun guys, andun kami sa sa Heraklion. At sumakay kami ng hop-on, hop-off bus. At ayun, na-surprise si Julian kasi sabi niya, yung first punta namin sa downtown, nakita niya yung double-deck bus, sabi niya, Mommy, I want to ride that. Sabi ko, next time, if we have time. Sabi ko. Then, the night before we went to ride the hop-on, hop-off bus, nabobolol. Nag-usap kami ng asawa ko. Sabi ko, can we, do we still have time to go around the city or, ride the hop-on, hop-off bus? Kasi, si Julian haven't ride it yet, so it will be his first time to ride a hop-on, hop-off bus. So sabi na sa ako, sure, it's no problem because we have really no plans. We just, hang out lang sa beach. Ayan, kasi kay Julian, okay na sa kanya ang dagat, guys. At maglaro ng sand. Ayan, okay na yun sa kanya. Masaya na siya doon sa, sa activity niya. At gawa kami ng sandcastle, ayan. Then, may rin siya, may mga drawing book, coloring book, okay na yun sa kanya. Pero, ayun, sabi ko sa kanya, let's go downtown. Yun nga yung first, punta kami downtown, and lakad kami, nakikita siya mga new things, new stuff, new places, ayan. So, ayan, yung araw na yun, na pumunta kami sa downtown, pinasakay namin siya ng hop-on, hop-off bus. Then, pumunta kami, naglakad kami, palapit sa bus. Mommy, why are we going here? Come. And si Papi V pumunta na sa loob, bumili na ng ticket. Ayun, na-surprise si Julian. At sabi niya na, we are really riding a double-deck bus. Ako, yes! Yay! He was so happy, guys, as in grabe, from ear to ear. He's really happy. And then, ayun, yung pag-akit namin sa second floor ng double-deck bus, ayun, siya, guys, na-rattle siya, parang natatakot siya umakyat. Hinahinay siya umakyat, eh. And sabi ko, Julian, let's go upstairs. And then, yeah, but I'm scared. So, no, don't have to be scared. Mommy and Papi are here. And then, ayun, inassist namin siya. Then, pinaupo. Then, okay naman siya. Sabi ko, if you want, we'll sit downstairs. No, I want to sit upstairs. Okay, we go upstairs. But then, sinabihan namin siya na when you're upstairs and you want to sit on the yung side na ng double-deck bus, yung may rail lang, yun. Please be careful. Don't ever put your hands out the rail. Ayan, sabi ko sa kanya, out from the bus, because you never know, you'll get awa means hurt, or something might hit you over there, and just don't. And sabi niya, no, I will not do that, Mommy. I don't want to get hurt. Sabi niya, okay, that's good. Na-enjoy kami lahat, guys, pero hindi kami bumaba sa mga tourist attractions, kasi si Julian ayaw niya lumakad. Ayaw niya mag-hiking or walking sa yung isa sa mga tourist attraction, yung temple man yata, yung temple na andun yung Greek mythological creature na yung half bull head and then half yung katawan niya is tao. So yung ulo niya bull. So ayaw niya lumakad, so nag-stay put lang kami sa sa bus. Inikot lang namin ang yung mga yung buong rota ng ng tourist bus. So, kada stop and yung mga tourist attraction. So, hindi kami bumaba guys kasi ayaw ni Julian na lumakad. Ayaw niya maglakad guys. Natatamad siya. So, ayan, doon lang kami sa bus. Ayan, inikot lang namin yung buong ano. And then, yung first namin dinaanan yung Venetian Port. Ano yun guys, yung structures na may parang tatlo or apat yata yung may ganyan. Doon daw yung ginagawa yung mga boats or barko, yung centuries old. Ayan, tagal na yun, many years ago. Ayan. Then, yung sunod namin pinuntahan yung mga structures na nasira sa earthquake. Then, pero ni-renovate nila guys yung church. Yan. Ang Greece guys, they are mostly guys, Orthodox. Ayan, Orthodox Christians. I'm really amazed with them. Because they're very religious. They're like, Filipino Catholics. Di ba tayo, dadaan tayo ng simbahan, gumagano tayo sa sign of the cross. Sila din, guys. As in, I was like, parang rin daw, mga Filipino rin ba? So, they also do that. Kada pass nila ng mga church, yung church na, na Orthodox church, nagsa-sign of the cross din sila. So, I was like, wow, this is really, this is really nice. Kala ko sa mga Filipinos lang gumagawa nun. Pero sila din. So yan, ayun, na-pass by namin yung dinaanan namin yung mga structures na nasira sa earthquake. And then, matagal na yun na earthquake. Parang, hindi ko na basta matagal na yun. Yun daw yung pinakamalakas na, na earthquake na na-hit sa Greece. So, yung mga ibang temples nasira sa earthquake, and then yung mga church nasira, pero na-renovate nila. Ayan. And then yung mga architectural design na mga gusali nila, ayan, mga modern, mga old, then yung mga surroundings nila, yung mga parks, ayan, doon kami, dinaanan namin lahat, guys. Yung isang rota nga mismo ng, ng tourist bus. So, ayun, and then, nag-stop kami doon sa, yung isa sa mga famous places dito sa Creta, yung yung temple na doon daw sumikat, or doon daw na known na Greek mythological creature. Yun daw yung Minotaur or Minotaur. Yung body niya tao, yung ulo niya bull. So, yun ang niya, Greek mythological creature. Doon daw siya na well-known sa temple na yun. At, ayun, you can, guys, you can browse it in the Google about the tourist attractions in Heraklion. Ayan, in Creta, guys. Crete, Greece. Ayan. Ayan, maraming mga sightseeings dito, guys. Ayun na, may nakita kaming tavern. Tavern is like a restaurant. Pero makikita niyo po yung yung design, yung mga interior, nila is more on talaga, guys, yung about Greece, yung mga people in Greece, mga pictures, mga collectibles, ayan, mga Cretan people, ayan. So, yun. Na-try namin yung Cretan salad. Siya, guys? Ibang cheese ang ginamit nila, hindi feta cheese. And then, okay siya. Nakakabusogin. Then, ang kinain ko, guys, yun ang, in-order ni Papi V, yung salad. Cretan salad. So, ayun. Refreshing talaga yung mga salad sa Greece, guys. As in, yung Greek salad at yung Cretan salad, as in, nakaka-refresh at nakakabusog din. Okay yung salad na in-order ni Papi, pinatikim niya ako. So, ayan. Kasi yung in-order ko, guys, snails. Ayan. At,
What is that?
okay naman yung snails na in-order ko. Wala lang, something for a change, guys. Because, yung last ko nakatikim ng snails was when I was in Philippines. Pero yun, guys, ginataang snails. Snails in coconut cream. Ayan. At medyo manghang siya. So, itong yung in-order ko, siya, guys, with olive oil, of course, olive oil, ano talaga, ng Greece, ayan, yung Greek olive oil. So, yun talagang partner nila na, ano tawag ito, yung, kapag magluluto sila, Greek olive oil talagang ginagamit nila. So, ayan, malasa yung Greek, nila, olive oil. Then, ayun, yung snails, and then nilagay nila ng parang herbs, and then salt, and then, ayun, okay siya. Okay naman yung lasa. Medyo salty, pero okay naman. Okay siya. For, for the price is okay, yan. Then, kay Julian, nag-order kami para sa kanya, different food. Buti naman kinain niya. At, nabusog din daw siya. And then, natikman din namin ang, ang cretan pie. Ayan, cretan pie. Sarap niya, guys. Ang laman niya, guys, is cheese. Ayan. At, with, parang honey on top. And then sesame, I think sesame seed yung topping. Pero okay siya, guys. Nagustuhan ko. So, yes, guys, yung lugar na yun is really nice. Very affordable. At grabe yung serving. As in, sulit na sulit, guys. Talaga yung presyo at yung ambience. Ayan, very nice. Hindi lang, guys, hindi lang po ang hop on hop off bus ang pwede lang ninyo ma-access ang mga tourist spots. Meron din sila mga museums. Hindi lang kami pumunta sa museums, guys, kasi si Julian, kada kita niya ng mga hawakan niya, so natatakot kami kasi baka masisira niya. Then mahal kaya yung yung mga stuff sa museum. So hindi kami pumunta sa museum. Lang kami, yun nga, nag-bus lang kami. Then naglibot-libot lang kami sa downtown. And then nakita namin yung isang restaurant na medyo labas sa downtown. And then may nakita kami playground. Ayan, naglaro sila, Papi tsaka si Julian. Ayun, ako nagre-relax ako. Ayan, at okay yung araw namin. It was really nice and also memorable kasi it was Julian's first time to ride a double-deck bus. Ayan. So, we were really, really happy and, yan. Check. Check sa ni Julian experience. So, ayan, guys. Thank you again so much for your support in my channel and also my videos. Ayan. Sa mga hindi pa po subscribe sa aking channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell down below, ha? For more, Shandy V, Papi V, and Julian V. Ayan. Next naming gala, tingnan natin saan tayo pupunta. Thank you, guys! At God bless to everyone! Mwah!